Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how can you get voice chat on Roblox. So first of all you have to need to tap on this three dot over here, go to settings. Now you just need to go to in privacy. In the privacy you have to scroll down and see if you have microphone in the privacy or not. If you don't see microphone here, you have to go to account info, and where you have to verify your age. You have to enter your birthday here and just tap on this verify my age. So if you want to get a voice chat, make sure you are 18 plus, and you must have any of the document here like driving license, for passport, ID card or resident permit which have a photo of yours. And also after upload it will ask you to upload front and back side of your photo ID. After that it will ask you to upload your selfie, and after the verification done you will get the microphone in the privacy. I'll show you, I already get it. So this is my other account, so I just wanted to show you that's why I created a new account to show the steps. So right now you can see so this is my other account, and where I already verified my age, and I'll show you I got the microphone in the privacy. So bus, it's a very simple step. You can see that microphone, I got microphone in the privacy. So it's a very simple steps to verify your age, and you will just need to follow the on screen instructions, and after completing the instructions, and you will get the microphone. Just enable it from the privacy. You have to tap on this mic toggle button from here. You can see the next this is a toggle button that you have to enable it next to the microphone, and once you enable it you just need to open any game and tap on the microphone. Now in the game guys, can you see the microphone over Avatar's head? Let me bring down the now you can see the microphone over Avatar's head. Just tap on it to enable and disable. When you enable it, you can see the variation in the microphone. It means Roblox is using your microphone, so that's how you can enable it. Hope you like it guys, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.